Good morning, students. Today we will do division of fractions. Say division of whole number by a fraction. Let us find 1 divided by 1 upon 2. If we divide a whole into a number of equal parts such that each part is a half of whole. The number of such half, that is 1 upon half part, would be 1 divided by 1 upon 2. Observe the figure 2.11, that is this figure. How many parts do we see? That is 2 parts, that is 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2. So there are 2 parts, there are 2 half parts. So 1 divided by half equal to 2. Also, we can convert this division into multiplication sign by taking reciprocal of this term, that is 1 upon 2. This can also be written as 1 into reciprocal of 1 upon 2, it is 2 upon 1. Now multiply it numerator by numerator, that is 1 into 2, that is 1 into 2, and 1 into 2 it is 2. Thus 1 divided by 1 upon 2, this can be also written as 1 into 2 upon 1. Similarly, 3 divided by 1 upon 4, it is equivalent to number of 1 upon 4 parts obtained when each of the 3 whole are divided into 1 upon 4 equal parts, that is 12. See how in this figure here whole is divided into 4 equal parts and each part it is equivalent to 1 upon 4. We can write 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 4. And we have taken 3 figures, that is 3 whole circles, and each circle is divided into 4 equal parts and each part is denoted by fraction 1 upon 4. What we observed from these figures? We observed that 3 into 4 upon 1, it is equivalent to 3 into 4, that is 12. That is how many parts will be there? 12 parts. Thus 3 divided by 1 upon 4, this can be written as 3 into 4 upon 1 and multiply 3 4 ja 12. Your answer will be 12, that is 12 parts. Now reciprocal of a fraction. The non-zero numbers whose product with each other is 1 are called the reciprocal of each other. So reciprocal of 5 upon 9 is 9 upon 5 and the reciprocal of 9 upon 5 is 5 upon 9. See here, let us understand with the help of examples. See here, 1 divided by 1 upon 2, this can be, it is equivalent to 1. Here change division sign into multiplication. We have to take reciprocal of 1 upon 2. And what is the reciprocal of 1 upon 2? It is 2 upon 1. So this can be written as 1 into 2 upon 1. It is equivalent to 1 into reciprocal of 1 upon 2. Now 3 divided by 1 upon 4, it is equivalent to 3 into reciprocal of 1 upon 4, that is 4 upon 1. This can also be written as 3 into reciprocal of 1 upon 4. Here, see third one, 3 divided by 1 upon 2. This can be written as 3 into reciprocal of 1 upon 2, that is 2 upon 1, that is 3 into reciprocal of 1 upon 2. So 2 divided by 3 upon 4, it is equivalent to 2 into reciprocal of 3 upon 4, that is 2 into 4 upon 3. 4 upon 3 is the reciprocal of 3 upon 4. In this way, we can write this 5 divided by 2 upon 9. This can be written as 5 into reciprocal of 2 upon 9, and this can be written as 5 into 9 upon 2. Reciprocal of 2 upon 9 is 9 upon 2. This can be written as 5 into 9 upon 2. Thus, what we conclude from these calculations? We observe that to divide a whole number by any fraction, multiply that whole number by, by the reciprocal of that fraction. Always remember this. That is, to divide a whole number by any fraction, multiply that whole number by the reciprocal of that fraction. While dividing a whole number by a mixed fraction, first convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction and then solve it. Thus, 4 divided by 2 upon 5. This can be written as 4 divided by, convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. This can be written as 2 5 ja 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 upon 5. This can be written as 4 divided by 12 upon 5. And, and if you solve this, how will you solve this? This can be written as 4 into 5 upon 12. That is, you can cancel these terms also by 4 and 12. 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. You will get 1 into 5, 5 upon 3. This is your answer. Also 5 divided by 3, 1 upon 3. This can be written as 3 divided by, converting mixed fraction into improper fraction. That is 3 3 ja 9 plus 1, 10, 10 upon 3. And this can be written as 3 into 3 upon 10. This is the reciprocal. And if you solve this, you will get 3 3 ja 9 upon 10. This is your answer. Division of a fraction by another fraction. We can now find 1 upon 3 divided by 6 upon 5. Here 1 upon 3 divided by 6 upon 5. This can be written as 1 upon 3 into reciprocal of 6 upon 5. That is 1 upon 3 into reciprocal of 6 upon 5. It is 5 upon 6. Here it is wrong. This is wrong. What will come here? Reciprocal of 6 upon 5. That is 5 upon 6. And if you multiply it, what will you get? This again it is wrong. Here what will come? See here, this can be written as, this term is wrong. It is wrong. This can be written as 1 upon 3 into reciprocal of 6 upon 5, that is 5 upon 6. Multiply numerator by numerator, that is 1 into 5, 5 upon 3 6 18. Your answer is 5 upon 18. Similarly, 8 upon 5 divided by 2 upon 3. This can be written as 8 upon 5 into reciprocal of 2 upon 3 equal to, this can be written as 8 upon 5 into reciprocal of 2 upon 3. What is the reciprocal of 2 upon 3? It is 3 upon 2. This can be written like this. And here you can simplify it. Divide 2 and 8 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. Or this can be written as 4 3 ja 12 upon 5. And 1 upon 2 divided by 3 upon 4. How will you write this? This can be written as 1 upon 2 into reciprocal of 3 upon 4, that is 4 upon 3. Here you can cancel 2 and 4 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. Multiply it 1 into 2, that is 2 upon 3. This is your answer.